Get to know more about cryptocurrency trading from Coach Miranda Miner. Watch our daily technical analysis, fundamental analysis, exclusive interviews, and everything about crypto all in one channel. Get to know more about cryptocurrency trading from Coach Miranda Miner. Watch our daily technical analysis, fundamental analysis, exclusive interviews, and everything about crypto all in one channel.
Great impact. An impact to our society with values revolving around culture of malasakit. As the year comes to close, let's all watch together and celebrate, Miranda, our achievements this year of 2022. I'm very proud to present to you all of our achievements and join me as we watch together.
Are you ready, guys? Kamusta ka na? This is Coach Miranda Miner.
Ano po ba ang cryptocurrency? So, cryptocurrency po, as defined, ito po yung currency in many forms. It could be, ano po ba in a very, very high level? Ano po ba ang tinatawag nating blockchain?
Very good word dynamic finance. There's a word finance or the word... Hey there, Greg. Everyone can hear you. Want to say hi to everyone? This is Coach Miranda Miner. I'm sure you're very, very excited for the upcoming learning management system. Ano ba nga ba ito? No? Ito ay... Another one wearing yellow. Say hello. Come on, Jackson. Say hello, Neo, to the. Let's talk about cryptocurrency.
So I have none other than the Chief Operations Officer, the man that need no introduction, Greg Gould.
Name is Miranda Miner. I'm a coach and I'm also CEO of the company that I was born because of cryptocurrency.
And was like, hey, can we make a game out of this?
Allow me to introduce to you the one and only, the voice that introduced, pitikin kita sa ilong, isang hampas na lang ng palakol, the power of yet. Please, let's give it up to our pambansang crypto coach, Coach Miranda Miner. By BingX, the world's fastest growing crypto app where you can find your next multi-bagger coin. Download now using Coach Miranda Miner's referral link found in your chat room and in the screen. This program is brought to us.
Hey guys, good morning, good morning. My name is Coach Miranda Miner and welcome to another edition of our cryptocurrency, technical analysis, fundamentals, and everything in one channel. Miranda.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Alright, today is January 24, 9:03 p.m. Simulan na natin, Miranda. It's gonna be a good day. Ano nga ba ang kahihinatnan ng Bitcoin? Our topic for today is Bitcoin going still to be on a $24,000? Miranda, ikaw ba, what do you think? Comment down below kung tingin mo ba it's gonna be hitting $24,000. But this time, as a coach, I'm going to give you ano ba yung mga drivers ito nakikita natin over the horizon over the next couple of weeks. No, or actually even couple of days kasi this week is a very, 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 very important week, Miranda. This week can determine if crypto will be on a 25,000 or back to 20,000 levels, Miranda. So we need to make sure na tayo po ay marunong magbantay. I'm gonna be teaching you today, so sit back, relax, and make sure we don't forget to make sure
Subscribe, like, follow, and share. Sige na please, Ka Miranda.
All right, with that said, let's actually now go with our topic for today. Okay, let's now go with our crypto. Ito ba'y aakyat ng 24,000? Puntahan na natin ka Miranda. All right, the biggest topic for today is about crypto. Simulan natin ang quick interview. Ito ay isang magiging big driver, pahapyaw lang coming from Bloomberg. Pakinggan natin ka Miranda. Let's all listen to this on what Shanae is saying about one of the potential big drivers of cryptocurrency.
There's a reason that this Genesis bankruptcy filing is the number one read story coming into the terminal as you wake up this morning. I was up till 1 a.m. reading the bankruptcy filing myself. Remember, this is a company that is tied to the digital currency group Empire, run by Barry Silbert, a well-known name not only in cryptocurrencies but also on Wall Street as his time as a former investment.
All right, so exactly pinag-uusapan pa rin ang Genesis lending issue that most recently they filed for Chapter 11. Miranda, they filed for bankruptcy. Basically, it means they need some help to be able to reorganize and restructure their organization para ma-save pa din yan. Another big topic natin is SBF, no? Is actually a bit happy, masaya actually siya kasi most recently nag-tweet or nagpahayag si the one who took over on the reorganization, sinasabi ngayon, no, si John Ray, sinasabi ngayon na potentially pwede raw i-open ulit ang FTX US. Kaya medyo nagwawala nung nakaraan si FTT token. So bantayan nyo rin yan, Miranda. Let's actually quickly go now with, before I kind of give my comments, let's quickly go first with the price of our cryptocurrency coins, Miranda. Currently, Bitcoin is nearing still $23,000. Year-to-date, 38%, pero all-time high is still negative 67% down. Ethereum, almost parehas ni Bitcoin, 35% up from a year-to-date perspective. BNB currently 28% up from a year-to-date perspective. Pero si BNB is only 54% down from its all-time high. Alright, XRP currently at 24.85. Medyo malayo pa ang legroom nito. It's currently down at 89%. Cardano is still down at 88% from the all-time high, pero year-to-date is currently above 50%. Grabe talaga itong si Cardano, no? Grabe. Alright, Dogecoin is currently at 0.088 at 26.46% year-to-date, pero still down 88%. Solana is still down 91% year-to-date, from the all-time high perspective. Pero si Solana ay almost nag-double your money na at 145%. Polygon Matic currently at 1.01, up at 33.31%. Still down from all-time high at 65%. Polkadot currently at 48.67. Currently, month-to-date rather, it's still down at negative 88% from the all-time high. SHIB Inu 47.79, currently down 86% from ATH. LTC at 90.26, currently up at 27.29 year-to-date, pero down negative 78. Tron 14.17, down negative 79. AVAX 67.58, up year-to-date, pero down negative 88. Uniswap at 27.35, down at 85%. Cosmos currently up at 38.37, down at 31.59%. Okay. So ba't ko sinasama ang down all-time high? Because this is my argument here, Miranda. Alright, lumilipad ang coin. Maganda ang kanyang pinatutunguhan, but is it a potential bear rally or are we really entering a bull run, no? So I'm going to answer that in a few. So stick ka lang sa ating channel. I'm going to tell you, I'm going to be giving facts about it. I'm going to be giving you my insights based on where the market can potentially go. But for now, I want everyone to realize that yes, up tayo ng 38% year-to-date, pero majority of the coins are still down at an average, no? At an average of 70% from the all-time high. Okay? So we need to be very, 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 very cautious pa din.
Ang galing mo talaga, Coach.
All right. Okay. So let's quickly now go with our one of the potential drivers for this week, Miranda. So before ko sabihin ito, punta tayo sa charting muna. All right. One of the biggest drivers of why the market is actually on a rally Pakitandaan po ito if you're new to my channel, please don't forget about this, no? There's obviously a huge correlation happening between Nasdaq and Bitcoin, no? From a correlation perspective, we're currently running at 0.82, which means there's a very strong positive correlation between Bitcoin and Nasdaq, no? So what's driving Nasdaq currently? For the past couple of days, ang Netflix po ang humahataw sa ating market, no? So if it's actually correlated, pwede natin gamitin si Nasdaq to become a potential determining factor kung aakit pa rin ba si Bitcoin or hindi, no? So this is proven by mathematics. This is actually proven by correlation. So I want to make sure that I invite your attention to focus here very clearly kasi pwede itong gawing indicator kung potential tataas pa si Bitcoin or hindi. So speaking of Nasdaq, tingnan natin ang mga drivers ng Nasdaq for today. Before tayo mag-move on, isang mabilis na commercial lang. Give me a second.
This program by BingX, the world's fastest growing crypto app where you can find your next multi-bagger coin. Download now using Coach Miranda Miner's referral link found in your chat room and in the screen. This program is brought to us.
Guys, if you downloaded BingX using my referral link, yes, you can actually get as much as $4,000 po, no? How can you get that? You can transfer lang your funds from Binance to BingX. If you're actually a whale, kung meron kang kasing laki ng $20,000, BingX can give you as much as $4,000 bonus. How do you do that? Transfer your Binance, transfer from other account, basta USDT to transfer mo. Then, the promo is going to run January 25 to February 3, no? Pero dapat ikaw ay referral link ko. No, if you have friends who would like to take advantage of this, refer them, tell them to use my referral link. Sayang po ang $4,000 or 200,000 pesos, Miranda. May kang makakuha $200,000 pesos ngayon sa labas, no? So sayang, kunin yan. So transfer lang kayo, transfer nyo na yung mga pera nyo from Binance to BingX. And of course, yung ating game din, no, sa BingX. If you downloaded BingX, the first 50 will get $50, no? I think tapos na po yan. Mabilis kasi, talagang bilis na puno. So always make sure lang you actually have downloaded BingX using my referral link para you can join things like this because I'm actually the biggest affiliate in the Philippines today for BingX. Alright, so I'm actually trying to understand kung saan pupunta itong market na to, no? Kasi, let's go back to the show. One of the drivers na iniisip natin that can potentially drive, no, the totally about itong Nasdaq, is it gonna be going higher? Actually, nandito pa lang sa ilalim yan, pino-forecast ko na potentially aakyat kasi medyo maganda yung takbo ng stock market as of today, even the Philippine stock market. So, what's gonna be happening? Tingnan natin yung mga paparating na mga big issues. Number one, tandaan mo to ha, Miranda ha. Today, lalabas yung Microsoft Corporation earnings report. This is a big driver. Okay, couple of things titingnan natin. Pinapakiramdaman ko si pre-market numbers kanina, medyo pula. Medyo pula sila Miranda ha. So, babantayan natin ito until 10:30 ng gabi. We're gonna be opening the market in the next 90 minutes, no? Alright, here's the problem. Medyo pula. Medyo pula ang market, no? I'm not sure why. I'm trying to assess what's driving the US market today. Maybe there is a take profit Tuesday na nangyayari. No, Miranda, if the market has been running green, karamihan sa mga institutions are actually taking profits on a Tuesday. Even on the Philippine stock market, tandaan yan ha. So in the PSEI, normally Tuesday is red. They call it Take Profit Tuesday or TP Tuesday. So titingnan natin kung magbabago ito because here's the thing. I'm actually trying to figure out baka mag-green si Microsoft, no? Baka mag-green si Microsoft and you need to listen to what I'm saying kasi noong report na lumabas, nung lumabas yung report ni Netflix, okay, puntahan natin ng 20, no? Nung lumabas po yung report ni Netflix last January 19, okay, sabi natin, bantayan ang stock market because it can do a correlated market move with Bitcoin. And true enough, Thursday, humataw po ang stock market, nag-recover, and Bitcoin did a correlated move Thursday. Kaya lahat tayo masaya, Miranda. Thursday, Friday, ang ganda po ng takbo ng crypto market. So with Netflix becoming green, no, and Tesla following, potentially we can have another green. Pero Miranda, iniisip ko bakit nagre-red ang market. So here are the couple of things. Number one, of course, earnings report, no? Actually, magaling ang Microsoft. Bakit? Kanina naglabas sila ng news. Kanina, naglabas sila ng news about Microsoft extending partnership with OpenAI. Okay? Which is gonna be a really big driver. Kasi OpenAI, I'm not sure if you know, OpenAI is actually one of the... Actually, meron akong lalabas na 5-minute video about this, panoorin nyo. How can you access OpenAI? This is something that we all need to know, Miranda, okay? If you are following me, I want you to listen to that video because if you don't know what OpenAI is, baka ang ginagawang assignment ng mga anak ninyo ay gamit lang ang OpenAI. Alright? Actually, marami ng mga schools ang nagpo-protesta sa OpenAI, sa ChatGPT rather. OpenAI is the company. Alright. So, this is a very good news. So, I'm trying to figure out kung maganda yung news na lumabas, bakit pula yung market? So what we need to understand here is that this can potentially drive stocks performance over the next couple of hours. Tingnan natin, bantayan natin. Pag nagberde si Microsoft, potentially, okay, listen carefully parang yung Thursday, potentially magrarally si stock market and potentially Bitcoin can break out on a $23,000. Okay, so that's the thing. So from an earnings perspective, sobrang importante po nito because this can potentially, this week is an earnings week by the way, no? So this week is an earnings week. So we need to make sure, Miranda, and people who are watching me in Binance right now, we need to make sure that we're actually watching this. So today is Microsoft. I think Tesla is tomorrow. Let's double check. Yeah, Tesla is tomorrow. Lalabas yung kanilang report, Miranda, ha? So tomorrow is Tesla. I'm going to check AT&T is tomorrow as well. Visa and MasterCard is on January 26. Medyo malaki yan. Intel is actually January 26. January 27, we have Amex, mga bangko, Colgate, Palmolive, Chevron. So technically, Miranda, this whole entire week is going to be filled with earnings report. And these are trillion-dollar companies all in. Pag ito gumalaw, pag ito nag-react yung market, people can potentially be affected in the cryptocurrency market. Again, ulitin ko, Miranda, ha? There is a running 80.83 positive correlation between cryptocurrency with the Nasdaq as of today, and it's actually the ones driving performance. Bakit? Kasi nga, technically, you need to remember ha, mas malaki pa rin ang stock market than cryptocurrency. Why? Imagine mo, ang DeFi natin 47 billion lang. Last time I checked was 47, no? 47 billion lang ang DeFi. This is kaperanggot lang yan ng napakalaking $1 trillion centralized finance company, no? So maliit pa to. So definitely the drivers of crypto are still the ones in the centralized worlds, in the Web 2s, no? So tingnan natin, and by the way kasi Bitcoin, ang tingin dyan ng mga stock market traders, it's a technology stock. So that's the reason why if Nasdaq is moving higher, Bitcoin can potentially move higher as well. So we're going to be looking again, Miranda, couple of hours or actually an hour from now, we're going to be observing if the market is going to move or not. A big driver of that is potentially Microsoft, tulad din nangyari kay Netflix over the past couple of days. All right?
Ang galing mo talaga, Coach.
All right, let's now move on with okay, so Nasdaq is one of the big driver. Let's quickly double check our pre-market figures kung magbabago ito. I'm gonna be back with this one maya-maya. Pero still, it's actually on a red territory. So maybe people are actually taking profit. Tingnan natin on what can potential. Because if this continues to be red, yung sinasabi ko sa mga members kahapon, actually, it's happening actually nangyayari kahapon. Ang forecast ko kahapon with Bitcoin. Members, if you remember, aakyat, potentially, bababa. Potentially, Miranda, this can potentially, kasi meron kang 618 dito eh. So it can potentially just go down. No? This one can do a correlated move. Listen to my projections. It can do a correlated move pababa depending on where Nasdaq can potentially go. What's our silver lining here? What's our saving grace? Ang silver lining natin dito, Miranda, when I say silver lining, parang yung panangga natin, di ba? So potentially, pag ito nag-retrace, pwedeng itong bumaba lang, no? So if this one potentially goes down, potentially mag-oras lang yan dito, pwedeng umakyat ulit. Okay? Kasi there's already a multi-month breakout way back August. As a matter of fact, Miranda, nakakatuwa. Listen to me on this. This is a very, 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 very insightful discussion. Bakit? Kung makikita mo, August, yung kanyang tuktok. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Miranda, kung titingnan mo yung tuktok nito, let's take a look at the tuktok of Bitcoin. Yung kasi itong si Bitcoin, yung tuktok niya nauna na siya mag-breakout. Itong tuktok niya August din to. So technically, this one, itong tuktok niya, yung pinaka trend resistance, yung pinagsimulan niya ng high, this is actually August. Okay, this is August. And if you look to Nasdaq, this is also August, Miranda. So technically, what we're looking here is that nauna nag-breakout si Bitcoin, sumusunod si Nasdaq. Sumusunod siya. Although merong decorrelation na nangyari nung November, hindi sila sumabay. Ba't hindi sila nagsabay nung November? Bakit negative? Why is it that Bitcoin is negatively correlated with Nasdaq? Why is that? Sorry about that. Medyo passionate lang ako, no? Why is Bitcoin negatively correlated with Nasdaq during November? Guys, come to think of it, meron tayong SBF issue. Di ba? When SBF issue was happening, umaangat si stock market, everyone was losing faith in crypto. And this is the reason why cryptocurrency was falling down to the abyss on November because of the invalidation of the FA. So this time, tingnan natin, Miranda, if ito ay aakyat, this one can potentially drive our Bitcoin. Our Bitcoin can hit a 24,000, a 25,000 anytime. It can just, go and squeeze all the shorts if Nasdaq can break out on its it can continue its breakout trajectory paakyat ng paakyat.
Coach, bakit ang pogi mo?
Kailangan daw pogi tayo. I'm just kidding, Miranda. Alright, let's now do this. Okay, let's now continue our discussion. Alright, so that's one of the arguments. Okay, let's now go to the second argument, Miranda. Let's actually quickly open Bitcoin. Alright, there are a couple of analysts today looking at the current analyst, Miranda. Ito na. So sabi ng mga analysts, Bitcoin breakout has opened doors to a 25,000. Alright. Ay, nako, 25,000 nga ba? Tingnan po natin, Miranda. So sabi po ng mga analysts for today, hindi ko na i-analyze ito. I'm just going to interpret it to you guys. So basically, based on the most recent resistance. So sabi lang niya dito, potentially, pwede niyang hatawin. Dilinisin ko yung chart, no? Okay, I'm gonna be cleaning the chart. Explain ko na sa inyo. Sinasabi lang niya, pwede niyang hatawin si 25,000. Yun lang ang gusto niyang sabihin. Ang haba-haba ng article, pero yun lang gusto niyang sabihin. Okay? So sabi niya, it can potentially because, bakit ganun yung argument niya? Unang-una kasi, wala ka ng most immediate resistance. Ang resistance mo kasi is only down to 22,000. So meaning, Miranda, if Bitcoin retraces, listen to me carefully, if Bitcoin is going to retrace, all right, it's going to be supported by the old resistance, no? Which means that your 22,000 can be your strong support. So, ibig sabihin, kung ito man ay bababa ka, Miranda, itong 22,000 mo ang magsusupport sa'yo. Okay? This one can hold your support. Otherwise, you can also use itong binubuo niyang trend support line na ito. Type number 1 kung naiintindihan. Alright, so i-advance ko na yung aking istorya. Supposed to be, ito po yung ating magiging bull flag. Reminder, bullish pennants are only going to work 66% of the time. Alright, so there is actually a bullish pennant here, bullish pennant there. Ito yung tinatawag nating tabo trade. So tingnan natin, sana kahit ito ay gumagawa ng left hand, sana ito ay umakyat. Otherwise, this can potentially go down depending on how the market will react to the big issues as of this week. let's move on with our discussion. Medyo berde po lahat ng Lunes. Ang gaganda ng market. Grabe, ilang araw na tayong berde sa stock market. Even, I'm actually holding, I have a couple of stocks in Tesla. I have NIO. No? I actually have other small stocks in the stock market in the States. I also have Philippine stocks. Almost all green yung aking portfolio, Miranda. Obviously, the reason is we're actually recovering. The market is recovering. However, meron tumawag sa akin kagabi. Nag-usap kami, tinawagan ko siya. Sabi niya sa akin, Coach, ang laki na ng talo ko. Sabi niya, meron siyang around 1 million sa stock market niya. Philippine stock market. Sabi niya sa akin, Coach, how do I know if the bottom is really the bottom? No? Medyo halos 24 minutes sa discussion yun. Anyway, sabi ko sa kanya, huwag ka na mag-average down. No? I mean, that's one of the things na medyo fault ng mga traders minsan. You average down just to make sure you buy the dip, di ba? Pero you also need to take it with the grain of salt kung tama ba yung binibili mong stock. Kasi kung hindi siya worth it, parang unfair naman sa'yo. Sabi ko sa kanya, okay, reboot, huwag mo nang galawin, huwag ka na mag-average down. Use your current money to buy superstars, buy alphas. Alright? So yun ang gagawin nating strategy for your stock market picks. Anyways, I'll not share that today. Let's quickly now go with our decentralized finance. Miranda, maganda rin ang pinupuntahan ng ating DeFi. It's currently running at 47.26 billion. Medyo umaangat, which means potentially aangat po ang mga total value lock natin. I just wanted to share this with you before tayo magtuloy-tuloy. I'm just very proud of this because if I remember correctly, I've shared to all of you and even to the members that LDO or LIDO is going to go higher. And I'm very happy that the investment that I've added in my LDO spot is actually already very fruitful. No? Sinabi ko po sa inyo to that LDO will benefit on the Shanghai hard fork. And we need to, for me, I am actually investing and adding positions in LDO because I believe in the token. Ito ay magbe-benefit up until March. So as early as the time I've discussed this, we already have invested. And I'm very happy that it's actually already on a 55% position PNL. So that is actually for me a good decision. So 55% position PNL for LDO. I'm actually hodling this in spot lang. The reason being is because I believe in the coin. And if I remember correctly, Miranda, ito po ay diniscuss natin sa inyo way back on my video on, when is this video? 2 weeks ago po ito. This is actually a 2 weeks ago video, Miranda. Streamed 2 weeks ago, I've discussed LDO. Alright, so congratulations if you're actually a hodler of LDO. As I've said, Miranda, the coins that will benefit the momentum are the LSCs, the liquidity staking coins. No? Ito yung mga LDOs, CRVs, and well, not MKR, CRVs and FRX. No? Medyo Frax Finance. Imagine, hindi nyo pa kilala si no? Hindi nyo pa gaanong kilala si FRX, so pwede kayo sa LDOs and CRVs. Okay? Alright, so just want to kind of flag that a bit because again, you could also earn money not just on futures but also holding your alphas. Alright, so it's still good to, pwede pa rin mag-invest on LDOs, Miranda. So medyo ang laki na ng inakit niya, 38% from a 1-month perspective. Ito ang aking insight para sa inyo, no? For me, LDO can still be attractive, no? But however, iibahin ko ang mindset natin. All right. So kahapon I've discussed this with the members. I'm going to show this to all of you as well. This particular time of the year, iibahin na po natin ang ating lente. Ang ating pong lente or ating lens now will be coming from a defensive 2022. We're going to become cautiously optimistic 2023. Alright, so what does that mean? No? What does that mean? So being defensive, 30% position exposure, it's okay to start exposing yourself further in the market. However, the word of the year, or no, not word of the month lang pala to, not word of the year, Miranda, is we're actually going to be teka lang, bakit biglang bumalik yung show natin kay teka lang, okay, hindi pa pala, sorry, nagkamali tayo. Alright, so anyways, we wanted to become cautiously optimistic. I wanted to become very cautiously optimistic. I mean, why do I say so? I think it's time to let go some of your positions. When I say let go, start opening your positions, no, from 30% up to 40 to 50 up to 60 only, no. And why do I say it as a cryptocurrency coach? Is because I think pwede nyo nang ikalat yung mga pera ninyo. Ikalat nyo yan, no? Put kayo sa Bitcoin. Do not put investments on highly correlated tokens like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Sobrang pangit nun. If you invest on Ethereum, level off on your Bitcoin. If you invest on, and vice versa. So, lagay kayo ng mga coins on your LSCs or liquidity staking coins. Ito yung mag-benefit on the upcoming Shanghai hard fork ng March. Okay, take it from me, FYI. And of course, no, put 1%, 2% on LDOs. Do not put everything. Yan ang sinabi ko kanina sa mga members. Or one of the person I replied in the members community, sabi ko, be cautiously optimistic, 1 to 2% of your net capital. Okay lang yan, put it on the spot lang. Hayaan mo na siya dyan. You will take profit from it around March already. But of course, Miranda, not a financial advisor, seeing it there sa ilalim. All of the information you're seeing here are actually all for educational purposes only, not a financial advice. Alright, let's now move on with our upcoming, ito medyo malaki to Miranda, no? Medyo malaking issue ito by February 2, no? So, if Bitcoin hits at 25,000, magiging very hard resistance yon, okay? So, ibig sabihin, pag nagberde si stock market today, pwede, pero hindi laging 100% guaranteed. Pwedeng maghumabol si crypto, pwedeng tumuloy-tuloy sa 23. One of the reasons ba't nasabi ko to is because when I'm looking at Bitcoin, sabi ko, ang tagal tumenga sa 22,000. So, there might be something going on with Bitcoin during this time. So I was looking at so many research. In my perspective, hindi sila gumagalaw kahit ginigiba na siya ng issue ni Genesis. So it looks like priced in na siya. Ibig sabihin, tanggap na ng tao na 22,000 na si Bitcoin kahit anong negative issues pa. Simply because people are opening now to more risks. And why is that? So because your market makers are also buying Nasdaq. So if people are buying NDQ or Nasdaq stocks, people are gonna be more risk takers now for Bitcoin. Type number 1 kung naiintindihan nyo po yan, Miranda. Alright, so currently our federal rate is currently at 4.33%. So I'm looking for the potential movement kasi magkakaroon na ng pronouncement on February 2 sa Philippines time, alas 2, alas 3 ng umaga sa atin. Tandaan nyo yung araw na yan, magiging magalaw ang stock market and crypto market during that time. Lumalabas po sa mga projections po natin or sa Federal Reserve Watched tool, lalabas na potentially ang ating pong magiging ang ating interest rate will be at the 4.75, no? 4.75 or 4.75% or 4.75, yeah, 4.75% from 4.5 to 4.75. So kung 4.33 tayo today, kung 4.33 tayo today minus 4.75, technically we might be looking at a 0.5% interest rate increase. Okay, ano mangyayari doon? What can potentially happen? If it's going to be, taka lang, before ako pumunta sa aking mga insights, the other macro trends and other macro analysts, sila rin nagbibigay ng insights that potentially, Miranda, sila rin, they're actually trying to give insights that potentially the interest rates can still hit a 5% coming from 4.75. What does it mean? Potentially, Miranda, ang ilalabas ng Fed, okay, ito yung fearless forecast natin, no? Ang ilalabas ng Fed na interest rate can potentially be at 75 basis points or 0.75. Pag mangyari yun, Okay. Dalawa pwede mangyari 0.5, 0.75. Based on the votation, they're saying that 4.75 could happen, which means kung marami ang naniniwala na 4.75, ang potential na ilalabas po talaga is not 0.75, pero ang ilalabas lang is 0.5. Which means ang mangyayari, magiging parehas lang sa nilabas nila noong December. Which means potentially, pwedeng magkaroon ng better results ang Bitcoin. Okay? All right, Miranda. So, at the end of the day, that can potentially be a driver on February 2. Okay? On February 2, potentially, pwede. Pag bumaba pa ng 25 basis points, mas magbibigay ng optimistic effect. Bakit? Kasi the market will now feel, hoy, teka lang So parang medyo gumaganda na ang takbo, medyo lumuluwag na si Fed. Kahit ayaw nilang sabihin na sila ay magluluwag na, pero having a 50 basis point on 2 successive months can be a potential signal of a repivoting. So pwede pong mangyari yon, Miranda.
Ang galing mo talaga, Coach.
All right, so let's now move on with, so that's one probability. So technically, in a summary, Miranda, this week, ang tanong natin is, can Bitcoin still run on a 24,000-25,000? Point number 1, depende po sa takbo ng Nasdaq, kung ito po itutuloy pa akyat. Point number 2, can it still break out on a 24-25? 25 for me is a hard ceiling. Miranda, pag nabasag ang 25,000, ako sinasabi ko sa Nako, pag nabasag sa 25,000, magdidiwang buong market, Bakit? Kasi nga, ang ganda ng breakout na yan. Ako, multi-month breakout siyang, Miranda. August of 2022, binasag niya na, So baka umakyat palalo. But those are the two drivers, Your current driver, are we gonna be to 24,000 depending on how the Nasdaq will go? Are we gonna be on the 25,000 depending on how the FOMC will forecast their numbers, It's gonna be depending on how FOMC will be 25 basis points, 50 basis points, or what not. Okay? Type number 1 kung naiintindihan po yan. Alright, so technically, let's actually quickly chart Bitcoin. Sabi po natin dito, this is currently the chart of Bitcoin. So this one can act as your current resistance. This one can act as your current support. Miranda, this is gonna be ilang araw na lang to, This is going to be very, very crucial for all of us. So technically, isang araw na lang po ito. This one, price will move either up or down. Give ourselves one more day. Of course, the yellow line, the 22,000 will become your support as well. So, pwede itong bumaba, pwedeng saluhin, pwedeng itulak pataas, pwedeng bumaba ulit, or pwede itong umakyat papaakyat. Ito yung magiging current resistance niya, depending on how the market was going to provide, it's going to provide, liquidity, or it's going to participate. So, let's quickly now check one of the other drivers kung ito ay tutulong sa atin, Miranda. Okay. So if you are noticing, medyo pangit po ang open interest natin in the market for the past couple... Actually, let me just double check. Okay, let me just double check. Okay, audios... okay, audio CLR... medyo, okay, kakaiba yung kanilang mga OIs, Alright, pag ganito yung market, how I interpret this, it looks like BNB is currently heavily leveraged, It looks like people are playing BNB much on derivatives. I think BNB, ang taas na ng BNB currently, humataw pa ng $323 yan. So for the past 24 hours, BNB is currently highly leveraged compared to the past 10 coins. Ibig sabihin po niyan, the market is choosing to enter BNB coin on a derivatives market. That's how you interpret this chart. Okay, type number 1 kung meron kang maganda natututunan sa show natin, because I don't think everyone is actually teaching this in the show. Alright? Uy, naglalag daw ako. Wait lang. Okay, wait lang ka, Miranda. Wait. Nako, sayang naman, naglag tayo.
This program is by BingX, the world's fastest growing crypto app where you can find your next multi-bagger coin. Download now using Coach Miranda Miner's referral link found in your chat room and in the screen. This program is brought to us by BingX, the world's fastest growing crypto app where you can find your next multi-bagger coin. Download now using Coach Miranda Miner's referral link found in your chat room and in the screen. This program is brought to us by BingX, the world's fastest growing crypto app where you can find your next multi-bagger coin. Download now using Coach Miranda Miner's referral link found in your chat room and in the screen. This program is brought to us by BingX, the world's fastest.
Alright, I think we are back. Parang meron akong inopen, no? Sorry about that, Miranda, no? Okay, sorry. Meron yata akong inopen, I think it's Coin Analyze, to be honest. Sorry, but stay lang kayo. Do not go. Thank you. Ang dami nating viewers. Almost 600 people. Maraming salamat po. Okay, thank you. Alright, by the way, I'm actually looking at Binance Live. Hindi tayo naglalag doon, ha. Thank you again, Binance Live. Mukhang sa YouTube lang ako naglalag ka, Miranda. Hello to the Binance community. Hello to all of you there. Alright. Okay na daw. Salamat. Alright, so I'm not gonna be opening Coin Analyze. So the way I analyze the coin from Coin Analyze is that, of course, out of the top 10 coins, mukhang tinuturbo po ng mga traders. Mukhang tinuturbo ng mga traders ang BNB coin, no? So nagiging indicator ko kasi yan kung saan ako pwede maglagay. I'm following where the trend is going. So I use Coin Analyze. Secret natin yung Miranda. For me to know where the potential market is going, because what does OI means? It means that mas umaakyat po yung market, no? Mas umaakyat po yung fresh money. There's fresh money going into the derivatives market, particularly on futures, no, or perpetual swaps. Ibig sabihin nun, the market is buying new contracts for the token. Okay, type number 1 kung naiintindihan ka, Miranda. Alright? Okay. All right. Okay. So, Miranda, that's actually my show for today. Medyo maikli lang yung show natin. I hope I was able to tell you, teach you, and give you a little bit of information on where the market can potentially go. If you've learned something new about our channel, please don't forget to click on like and subscribe, and follow us as well in our social media channels. At maraming salamat po, Miranda.
Subscribe, like, follow, and share. Sige na please, Miranda.
Alright, maraming salamat po, Miranda. And if you would like to get to know more about my charting, I'm actually sharing my charting almost every day sa mga members community. I also share sa mga free live na ito yung mga learnings po, Miranda. So baybayan niyo po yung ating pong mga charts, Miranda, and I hope nakatulong po sa inyo yung ating show for today. Maraming salamat. God bless you. Pag may mga questions pong hindi ko nasagot, please type down pagkatapos po ng show natin. I'm gonna be answering your questions doon po sa comment section ng video na ito pag ito po ay na-publish na in our YouTube channel. Alright? Maraming salamat, Miranda. By the way, uy, abangan ninyo, Guys, may mga free courses kamang ibibigay na ira-raffle ng The Open University on January 29. Number 2, if you would like to win a Bored Ape shirt for free, manood kayo ng ating Saturday show. Basta kinig lang kayo sa akin, marami tayong mga raffle. Alright? And of course, abangan ninyo ito, napakaganda nito. Meron tayong speed mentoring. 8 mentors, 8 hours, round robin. Abangan nyo yan, lalabas po yan this coming February 5 and February 12. 2 linggo po yan. Abangan po ninyo yung schedules. All of the mentors will be teaching the expertise that they know on February 5 and 12. Abangan po ninyo yan. Something na can help all of you to strengthen your knowledge about cryptocurrency. With that said, God bless you guys. I love you 3,000 at maraming salamat po. Thank you po. Okay.
Enroll now and learn the Miranda Miner Profitable System, the trading system which made thousands of traders profitable. Bigger, better, stronger. All three this 2023 with Global Miranda Miner Group OPC.